Hey guys, it's your boy Joe back at it again, codingphase.com. Your boy's back and I done did it again one more time. Hopefully you guys can actually hear me. Alright, I don't know if you guys can see the view by the reflection. Right, so we on vacation right now. But I still wanted to answer a question that I received on my email. Somebody asked me, hey Joe, I'm going to a program, going to some sort of boot camp. Right, I'm learning to code. I also got your yearly membership, and pretty much, you know, one of the head instructors from the boot camp is telling me it's gonna take me a year, 2 years to really master, you know, web development and programming in general. What should I do? I mean, I'm watching all of your videos, and you're constantly saying, Joe always says something like this. Oh man, you know, as soon as you get the skills, start applying, right? So what should I do, right? So that was like really pretty much the question that the person had, where they were asking if, you know, should they just wait a year or two to master everything and then start getting a job and start applying to jobs, etc. And you guys should know my answer to this, right? It's like, hell no, man. Look, I'm gonna be honest with you. I have a video called "You Can't Become a Developer in 3 months." Okay? You can become a developer in 3 months, and I'll be honest with you. You know, I'll stick with that, right? I'll stick with that idea, right? And because it's actually true, you can't really become a developer in 3 months, right? But you can get hired within 2 to 3 to 4 months if you want to, okay? And how do you get hired if you're not, quote unquote, a developer by 3 months? Well, you start applying to jobs. You start applying to different type of jobs that take the skills or use the skills that you already know. You know, in the beginning, you're going to learn HTML, CSS, the basics of JavaScript, right? And there's a lot of jobs that need help with that. It's a lot of jobs that's going to hire people that know the basics, because the jobs that they have are not that complicated. You know, they don't want you to set up a whole stack for a company. They don't want you to build a website from scratch. They don't want you to build, you know, a full web application, right? There's a lot of companies that just need extra help, okay? So like, let's say landing pages, you know, HTML emails, work on different type of, you know, different sections of the website. They're not expecting you to be senior level developer, right? So my advice is, soon as you know the basics and you're able to convert a design into HTML, CSS, apply to jobs. That's it, you're ready to start working, okay? Now, like I said, you're not gonna be the best developer. You're not gonna be an experienced developer, but all of that you pick it up with time, right? All of that you pick it up by you actually working, okay? When you decide to say, I'm just gonna stay at home and I'm gonna try to master this on my own, trust me, there's almost no courses, there's almost no project, no boot camps that's gonna prepare you as much as a job is really gonna prepare you, okay? So I want you to understand that you shouldn't try to master everything. You shouldn't try to master everything and try to become like a super OG developer. Like, you don't need that, right? To get a job and start getting paid, what you need to do is be able to create a website, right? Be able to create a website, create a page out of a design, understand the fundamentals of web development, understand how Ajax works, understand how you know, how you post data into a server and the server saves it into the database. If you understand those concepts, right, you're good to go. You're good to start getting a job out here, okay? If you listen to me and listen to everything that I've been telling you, and even if you follow the guideline that I have on the ASAP developers group, if you follow that, you pretty much golden, man. You know, like, that's all you really have to follow. And even if you're just doing the monthly plan, you could do the timeline. Follow the timeline and you're gonna be good, okay? So this idea that you gotta be a master, bro, don't do what I did. You know, learn from my mistakes. Learn from my mistakes. Learn from what I did wrong. You know, when I first started getting into this web development, it took me a whole year to get a job. right? And then once I got a job, I was like, why was I even trying to master everything? Why was I trying to become a senior developer at home? I could have done this at a job. Ethan, no. Oh my God, I got a kid over here. Yes, I got a kid on vacation. Step away from that. Sorry, guys. You know, I'm not even going to edit this because, you know, I don't got none of the equipment to edit or anything like that. I got my phone. You know what I mean? But, hope you guys enjoy this, right? This is how I like to do it, right? It's more genuine, more real than me coming in and record with a camera and everything super edited. It's like, nah, man, I keep a hood. But, like I was saying, man, you don't need to become a senior level developer at home. That sounds ridiculous, right? And that's like a thing that we try to do on our own. We try to learn everything, and it's just crazy. You know what I mean? Like I try to do that. Trust me, man. I try to master JavaScript. You know, I try to do some Ruby. I was like, man, I'm gonna become a senior level Ruby developer. I was like, when I got hired, I was like, man, I should have been working. And then with that year that I spent at home, I could have had 1 year of experience, which is more valuable than anything else you're gonna learn on your own at home. That 1 year experience is gonna be like 3-4 years of you being at home learning on your own. I'm being honest, okay? Now, like I said, if you guys want to learn how to code and you want to learn everything about, you know, how to make money with becoming a developer, freelancing, getting the skills that you need, making some passive income, right? Using the skills that you know to make money, because that's what we're here for. You know, you see where I'm at. You know what I mean? Like, you see where I'm at. I'm not here to do this for fun, okay? I work hard all year, you know, and now we here. You know what I mean? Like, this is where we at right now. Got the family chilling. You know what I mean? Courtside. This is what we call courtside to the beach. You know, having fun with it. Okay, I'm out here for what, like 2-3 weeks? You know what I mean? Most people don't even get 1 week vacation. You might get a week vacation, but you got to spread it out throughout the year. You get what I'm saying? Like, when you become a developer, especially when you become somebody who is making money with their skills, you get to live this kind of lifestyle, right? Of course, I work hard, right, throughout the year, but then at the end, I get to reward myself with little things like this. Vacation time, new whip, you know, flights, cash. That's my son, Ethan. You already know. We training him to be a boss. You know what I mean? And that's how you should treat your kids too, man. Get them to become bosses, man. It's fine to work a job. There's nothing wrong to be somebody working for somebody. But that shouldn't be the end of your story. Your story shouldn't be, well, I'm waiting for my retirement. Nah, I am not waiting for my retirement. I'll make my own retirement, right? If I need $2 million to make my retirement, right, and enjoy $50,000 a year, right, I'm gonna work for that. And that's what I'm doing right now, right? I'm trying to retire by 40. Trying to get together at least $2 million together, and then from there I'm a bum. I'm gonna become a bum out here and just not do anything. I'll be honest with you. I'm gonna just be bumming it. Just be on the beach, like one of these old people that's out here just being old, enjoying the gray hairs, you know what I mean? But for now, I enjoy working hard, 12 hours a day, you know, my own businesses. And yeah, man. So like I said, if you want, you can go ahead and, you know, do what you got to do out here, man. Don't wait until, you know, a year, 2 years, 3 years to become a quote-unquote a master of the language. Bro, just go in. Get a job as soon as possible. If they asking you for HTML, CSS, which is the minimum, apply to it. You ain't got nothing to lose, right? You only got something to gain. You get to gain experience and you get to gain money because you get paid for it, okay? So it is what it is. All right, guys, I'm going to make a couple of more videos throughout the week. I'm going to try to do a video per day. I'm also creating a new series, which is gonna be me creating a website using probably Adonis.js and Svelte, the new framework that's out there. And I'm also creating a new course for Svelte as soon as I come back home, which is gonna be in 2-3 weeks from now. All right. So any questions that you guys might have, send it to me to my email. I will be continuing to do videos like this from this amazing view, right? Hey, Florida. You know what I mean? Say Florida.
Baba.
Florida.
Baba.
Fava. Yeah, man. So from Florida. Also, guys, if you guys want to meet up with me, let me know. Your boy's out here in Florida, man. Coding Phase headquarters coming soon to Florida. So let me know where you at, right? We're going to be in the Sarasota area. Then from there, we're going to be in Miami, okay? I'm going to be in Miami for a week. I'm going to be in Sarasota for another week. So take advantage, okay? You know, meet up with your boy and let's link up, okay? It's always good to link up with other developers. I love it. All right, guys? So yeah, man, if you want to learn how to code, go to codingphase.com. Stop slacking. I don't know why you still slacking. If you're watching this, I don't know why would you be watching this and you never gone to codingphase.com. You get what I'm saying? Like, you slacking. If you still like dreaming about becoming a developer and you haven't gone to codingphase.com to actually make it a reality, I don't know what the hell you're doing with your life. For real, I'm being honest. Stop dreaming it and make it happen, man. Stop thinking, oh, next year I'm going to become a developer. 6 months from now, I'm going to become a developer. Bro, start now, get a job in like 2-3 months, and then from there, you know, start working a whole year. Then from there, you start making your passive income. Then from there, you start investing into your own businesses, open up your own stores, do everything that you got to do, etc. Right? And that's it, all right? So anyways, man, I'm out of here. It's your boy Joe, back at it again. Codingphase.com. Your boy's back, and I done did it again.